নমস্কাৰ বন্ধুসকল, লাষ্টাৰ চিটিকেট ইউটিউব চেনেলটিলৈ আপোনালোকক স্বাগতম জনালোঁ। আগন্তুক জুলাই চিটেটৰ বাবে ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰৰ টেষ্ট চিৰিজ এটা ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিছোঁ। চিটিভি টেষ্ট চিৰিজৰ এইটো দ্বিতীয়টো ভিডিঅ'। আপুনি যদি প্ৰথমবাৰৰ কাৰণে মোৰ চেনেলটিলৈ আহিছে তেন্তে চেনেলটি ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি ল'ব। আহক আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। প্ৰতিটো কুৱেশ্যন আৰু MCQবোৰ মাতি দিয়াৰ পিছত কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰটো জনাই দিম। আপোনালোকৰ এনচাৰটোৰ লগত কাৰেক্ট হৈছে নে নাই মিলাই চাব। Question number 1. If students repeatedly make errors during a lesson, a teacher should option A. Make changes in instruction, tasks, timetable or seating arrangement. Leave the lesson. Option B. Leave the lesson for the time being and come back to it after some time. Option C. Identify the erring students and talk to principal about them. Option D. Make erring students stand outside the classroom. Correct answer is option A. Make changes in instruction, tasks, timetable or seating arrangement. Next question. Following are some techniques to manage anxiety due to an approaching examination except. Option A. Familiarizing with the pattern of question paper. Option B. Thinking too much about result. Option C. Seeking support. Option D. Emphasizing strengths. The correct answer is option B. Thinking too much about the result. Question number 3. A, B and C are three students studying English. A finds it interesting and thinks it will be helpful for her in future. B studies English as she wants to secure first rank in the class. C studies it as she is primarily concerned to secure passing grades. The goals of A, B and C respectively are option A. Mastery, performance evidence. Option B. Performance evidence, mastery. Option C. Performance evidence, mastery, performance. Option D. Mastery, performance evidence, performance. Here the correct answer is option A. Mastery, performance evidence. Question number 4. Even though this was clearly in violation of his safety needs, Captain Vikram Batra died fighting in the Kargil War while protecting his country. He might have option A. Sought noble experience. Option B. Achieved self-actualization. Option C. Ignored his belongingness needs. Option D. Wanted to earn a good name to his family. Here the correct answer is option B. Achieve self-actualization. Question number 5. Extinction of a response is more difficult following option A. Partial reinforcement. Option B. Continuous reinforcement. Option C. Punishment. Option D. Verbal approach. Here the correct answer is option A. Partial reinforcement. Is the correct answer. Question number 6. Mastery orientation can be encouraged by option A. Focusing on students' individual effort. Option B. Comparing students' success with each other. Option C. Assigning lot of practice material as home assignment. Option D. Taking unexpected tests. Here the correct answer is option A. Focusing on students' individual effort. Is the correct answer. Question number 7. Which one of the following is correctly matched? Option A. Physical development environment. Option B. Cognitive development maturation. Option C. Social development environment. Option D. Emotional development maturation. Here the correct answer is option C. Social development environment. C is the correct answer. Question number 8. All the following facts indicate that a child is emotionally and socially fit in a class except option A. Develop good relationship with peers. Option B. Concentrate on and persist with challenging tasks. Option C. Manage both anger and joy effectively. Option D. Concentrate persistently on competition with peers. Here is the correct answer is D. Option D is the correct answer. Concentrate persistently on competition with peers. Question number 9. Which of the following statements support rule of environment in the development of a child? Option A. Some students quick process information while others in the same class do not. Option B. There has been a steady increase in students' average performance on IQ tests in last few decades. Option C. Correlation between IQs of identical twins raising defined whom is as high as 0.75. Option D. Physically fit children are often found to be morally good. Here the correct answer is option B. There has been a steady increase in students' average performance on IQ tests in last few decades. Question number 10. Socialization includes cultural transmission and option A. Discourage rebellion. Option B. Development of individual personality. Option C. Fit children into labels. Option D. Provides emotional support. Here the correct answer is option B. Development of individual personality. Question number 11. A teacher shows two identical glasses filled with an equal amount of juice in them. She empties them into different glasses, one of which is taller and the other one is wider. She asks her class to identify which glass would have more juice in it. Students reply that the taller glass has more juice. Her students have difficulty in dealing with option A. Accommodation, option B. Egocentrism, option D. Dissenting, option D. Reversibility. Here the correct answer is option C. Dissenting. Option C correct. Question number 12. Cornwallis Singh does not pay income tax despite legal procedures and expenses. He thinks that he cannot support a corrupt government which spends millions of rupees in building unnecessary dams. He is probably in which state of Kohlberg's stage of moral development? Option A. Conventional. Option B. Post-conventional. Option C. Pre-conventional. Option D. Para-conventional. Here the correct answer is option B. Post-conventional. Question number 13. Bloom's taxonomy is a hierarchical organization of option A. Achievement goals, option B. Curricular declarations, option C. Reading skills, option D. Cognitive objectives. Here the correct answer is option D. Cognitive objectives. Bloom's taxonomy is a hierarchical organization of cognitive objectives. One question for you. Question number 14. Intelligence theory incorporates the mental process involved in intelligence, that is metacomponents, and the varied forms that intelligence can take, that is creative intelligence. Option A. Spearman's G-factor. Option B. Sternberg's triarchic theory of intelligence. Option C. Seven theory of intelligence. Option D. Thurston's primary mental abilities. আপোনালোকে ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট এনসাৰটো কমেণ্ট কৰি জনাব। এই কাৰেক্ট এনসাৰটো নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'ত দি দিম। আজিলৈ ভিডিঅ'টো ইমানতে সমাপ্ত। যদি ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল পালে লাইক কৰিব, কমেণ্ট কৰিব, চেনেলটি ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব আৰু নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'সমূহ পাবৰ কাৰণে বেল আইকনটো প্ৰেছ কৰিব। ধন্যবাদ।